Welcome back to the Tense series. This is Chapter 2. Today we learn the simple present tense. Every morning, Rohan wakes up at 7. He stretches, he yawns, and his day begins, just like yours. He brushes his teeth, he eats his breakfast, he picks up his bag and goes to school. Now think, does Rohan do this only today? No. He does this every single day. This is his routine, and that is the key. When something happens regularly, every day, every week, always, we use the simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for 3 things: habits and routines, facts and truths, and things that are always true. The formula is simple: subject plus verb. But remember, add S when using he, she, or it. I play, you play, they play. No S needed. But he plays, she plays, it plays. Always add S. This is very important. Rohan runs every morning. Runs tells us this is a daily habit. Simple present tense, daily habit. The sun rises in the east. This is always true, a fact about the world. Simple present tense, general truth. He does not eat vegetables. For negatives, we use does not or do not. Does not for he, she, or it. Do not for the rest. Do you like football? For questions, we start with do or does. Do for I, you, we, they. Does for he, she, it. Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. She blank to school every day. Is it go, goes, or going? Think. The answer is B, goes. She is he, she, it. So we add S. Go becomes goes. Well done. Let's recap the simple present tense. Habits, facts, always true things. Subject plus verb, and add S for he, she, it. Next in this series is present continuous tense. That is when something is happening right now. Don't miss it, it is very useful. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below, I will check it.